असल में मैं इधर एक मॉन्यूमेंट है वो देखने आया हूँ, वो जो इन दरख्तों के पीछे नज़र आ रहा है ये मॉन्यूमेंट, ये मैं देखने आया हूँ आज। Memorial to the victims of torture and ill treatment during the colonial era. It is in recognition of the contributions, redress for the victims of torture and ill treatment. This memorial is located in Johor Park. This is Johor Park. The sky is overcast with clouds, so not a beautiful video. Jomo Kenyatta Avenue on the side.